Stala Sweets Events Place, we would like to thank you for organizing our wedding this November 9, 2024. Nagkaroon man tayo ng struggles sa pag-handle nung umpisa because nagkaroon tayo ng mga changes. Pero yung lahat ng staff ng Stala, they are very constant sa pag-assist sa amin. So, from the coordinators, so gusto ko sana lahat sabihin yung pangalan nila. So, yung tumanggap sa amin is si Miss Lali. And then, ang next na nag-handle sa amin ay si JP. And then, ang final namin ay si Paolo, na siyang nag-handle din ng aming reception. Na kung titignan natin ngayon, very organized and very smooth yung naging transition namin. And doon naman sa church, kung saan very important din sa amin yung event na yon, dahil doon kami nag-unite ng aking husband. I would like to thank Louie and Jennifer for assisting us. Very patient sila sa lahat. And for the videographers and photographers, iTrix Vision, lahat kayo naging matyaga rin sa amin. Hindi kami ganun, lalo na ako ka-photogenic, pero inassist nyo kami. And sa aming MC na nagbigay buhay dito sa aming reception today kay Miss Dale, thank you very much. And sa aming floor supervisor, si Sir Miko, thank you rin. So overall, we would like to thank Stala Sweets Events Place na naging successful yung event na very important sa aming mag-asawa, which is our wedding day. So we hope that kaya nyo rin i-try, i-check ang kanilang website para makita nyo rin yung other output na meron sila for these kinds of events. Thank you, Stala.
Thank you very much. Peace.